In this video, I will show you how you can update your table records. Open the table you want to update. For this video, I will choose room rates. For example, if I want to increase room rates which are below $100 to $100, go to Creates tab, then Query Design. Select Table, choose a column which you want to update. In criteria, type your amount which you want to search. Click on Update icon under Design. You will notice that a new row Update to is added. This is where you write the amount you want to update to. On clicking Run, a dialog will pop up to confirm that rows will be updated. As you can see, all the rates which are below 100 are updated to 100. If we want to check the number of guests in the first quarter of 2015, and then save this result in a separate table, it's like creating a new table from a query. Click on Create tab, select Query Design. Choose Required Fields. In criteria of check-ins, write Date Query. Click on Make Table. It will show you two options. Create a table in the current database or another database. I will choose the current database. Name it whatever you like. Click Run. It will create a new table. If I want to know that how many guests have not been assigned to the rooms, for this case, open Query Designer and select Guest and Room Assignment Table. Double-click on the black join line between two tables. A dialog box will open. There are three options. The first option gives us records which are present in both tables. The second option will give us only those entities that are present in Guest Table but not in Room Assignment Table. The third option will give us those records which are present in Room Assignment Table but not in the Guest Table. For our purpose, we need entities present in the Guest Table but not in the Room Assignment Table. As you can see, there is only one entity present to which no room is assigned. We can further clarify by using is null statement in the Room Assignment Guest ID criteria. By doing this, we get only one entity which is not present in Room Assignment Table. Let us now delete that one entity which is not present in the Room Assignment Table. Open Query Designer, select Guest Table, and from Query select Guest with no room assignment or whatever you name it earlier. Select Guest ID. Click on Delete under Design tab. On pressing Run button, it will give an error. For this, we would change one option in the property sheet, Unique Records. Change the option to Yes. It will allow us to delete unique records. When I press Run again, it will show us a dialog box of confirmation to delete. Press Yes. As you can see, the record has been deleted. I'm gonna save this query for future use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.